Thank you for subscribing, guys.
Did you get what you wanted?
No, I'm 2 down. I need a 10, yeah. But I got 8. So maybe end.
You got to stop it.
Yep. If I win at end, I'll be good. Yeah, they're doing a raffle. Yeah.
Have you got the jacket or you're not interested in that?
I've spent too much on jackets recently. Yeah. So
what you've got on's nice.
Yeah, nice. I bought a little Dynafil as well, CP Dynafil. Yeah, just like second hand, but I spent a little bit, so I was like, I can't afford it. But yeah, thank you, man. Yeah, subscribe, man. Don't worry, I'll make sure. Just leave, and if you do watch it, leave your say who you were in the video, and then I'll shout you out. No, you're here, right? No, that's too much. Nah, you got the little cubby.
We don't need it.
Nah, you got the cubby, man. Sorted.
We've got arrows.
Yeah, man. I love that colour. The lime green colour right there. Amazing. Little extras.
What?
Supplies. You need the necessary. Definitely need the necessary. Shoe. I love. Perfect. You know that's the kind of shots I like. Yeah, man. Shoes. Little magnets. Everyone's set up. I've got nothing but a camera and Nikes on.
Oh, mate. Unreal, man.
Alright, fellas.
Alright.
Don't mind me. As you were. Unless you're talking other business, then don't worry.
So with sniper pockets.
Sniper pockets.
Oh.
Old school jackets.
Yeah.
Nice.
None of this new fangled shit. There's not even like badge changes. You know the badge. Put the shadow.
I don't mind the badge change.
I've tried putting that on the pink one.
Sorry, I didn't get that. You know
badge changes.
How do you feel about that? That's the badge change, yeah.
I like looking at it, but I don't mind it.
Yeah.
I don't do it.
No. Yeah. I tend to feel like, can you put a ghost badge on a non-ghost piece?
No way.
Because don't it feel like you're going down, innit? It's a down. You can do it the other way up.
Look, would you though? Why would you?
No, you could do it the other way up. No, but you could do that. But I don't think you could do it the other way around, right?
Yeah.
I would say. I mean, there's no rules, but
I've tried a shadow badge on a few jackets.
It's not the same, is
I
it?
prefer the jacket with it. I prefer the original badge.
Yeah.
Well, not this badge.
I prefer shadow badges.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, I'd probably say that. Yeah.
Right now.
You're a bit more subtle.
Right now. That's where I like my badges. Right there.
That's what makes it all unique. It's
their own.
Definitely.
It's true, man.
Yeah, man.
And that's what makes it beautiful.
Some people go, I wouldn't go and have a custom badge made.
Yeah.
That's
some of them are nice.
Nah, some of them are amazing, man.
Yeah.
Nah, some are really nice. I wouldn't get one made just because
You know
I'm
that
lazy.
green sniper that I got, yeah?
Yeah.
There's a custom, like, like dust badge.
Yeah.
It looks amazing.
Is it?
You know, and I contemplated it, but I just ain't that in.
Yeah, I'm not that guy yet.
I
don't think I deserve a custom badge yet.
I'd love an avalanche piece though, with a mesh badge.
Do you like the mesh badge?
I like the avalanche piece.
I like the avalanche.
Yeah,
The pink
I
one
do.
for the badge.
Obviously the pink.
Stop it.
I know, definitely the pink.
Stop it.
I've got one mesh badge on like a sort of holographic hoodie kind of thing. It's quite nice. Yeah, quite nice. But yeah, the badge is flimsy, innit? But
I've never.
But the avalanche jackets are nice jackets.
They really are.
yeah, beautiful. Bit of snowflake love.
No, zooming in and clocking in.
Nah, there's no zoom. Why? There might be, but I don't even use it. No zoom, man. It's night time. All our sins are hidden. Most of our sins.
Nothing, mate. There's only really 40 people turned up. There's only 40 pair trainers.
I know.
Find this mad.
It's the sizes that's annoying. Well, it's not annoying. It's annoying for me.
In the morning, definitely.
I think we're going to do like not 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Nobody's.
I'll just sit and giggle when someone's running about saying, there's none left, pal. And they said, put the chairs out, giving up my life. Yeah, these daft cunts eat it. And there's not
Yeah, because nobody believes
Now
you.
they're talking about when you open this up, there's none left, lads.
Nobody's going to believe you.
Fucking what?
It's true.
You must have got the last 8, lads.
They won't
Sends
believe
up in
you.
an hour or two, say,
It depends where they're from.
You must have got the last 8, there.
He come in after and got.
Oh, he's got the 8. Sorry, yeah, he went for the 8.
Alright,
Sorry,
gang.
mate, I didn't mean to interrupt.
I'll be
you.
back.
Sorry, mate.
No, you're right, man. Sorry, no, you're right, bro. My fault.
Get me in there.
Yeah, of course. Come on.
He was waiting for you.
I know, exactly for you.
I'll stand sideways on.
Hold on.
That's a
Where are you from, sir?
naughty hoodie.
I'm from my old man's ball bag and my mother's womb. I'm too old to be a test tube baby.
Oh shit, that's 1,000 likes.
Excellent.
And he's off.
That's how you gotta drop the mic. You drop the mic and just go. You just like.
Is that alright? Sorry, I didn't mean to be rude.
No, you're not rude. Never rude. Never rude at all. Sorry. Yeah. I know.
Are you going to play that one though?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's all going on. I'm just gonna.
Well, it's not rude, is it? No, I am too old to be a test tube baby.
Why is it rude? It's beautiful, isn't it?
I didn't notice that. The old English gent.
Fucking who's smoking Fox's piss?
That was you, wasn't it?
That's me.
Oh,
He's smoking the fox piss. Perfection, mate.
It was.
It was just a
and the
joke.
walkaway was even better. I'm
just
not
a
gonna
joke,
lie.
you know what I
The
mean?
walkaway was like, listen.
will you post that one or not?
I will.
Promise me?
I promise you, sir. I promise you.
And my
I'll
name's
look at you
Mickey
in the
Fuller.
eye. Alright, I'll
Mickey
definitely
Fuller.
promise it. Good man.
Get in.
Mint hoodie.
Mickey Fuller.
Best
What was it? No, I'm joking. Mickey Fuller. I know.
Mickey Fuller. Google me. Mickey Fuller.
I'm gonna Google you right now.
I'll come up first on Google.
No, I'm not gonna Google you.
I'll come up first on Google. Hello?
No. How are you, man? All good?
Alright, not
Yeah?
too fucking
Come on.
close. I don't want to sit down and
Come
crow's
on,
feet.
let's talk.
No, come on.
Let's be friends. Can I be down? Can I hang?
Try that, Jack.
Potsy underscore UTI underscore 335. Just same size. 10 out of 10. Yeah, well that's it. You know what? If he gets your best in, that's the biggest chance. I was sorry, you
J Rag's wearing them. Come on, dude. You guys don't know about this. Nighttime switch up. You get me? If you got it, you got it. Innit? You man should just chill. Just chill. Get me? I'm even gonna bait man up, but you know man's fly always. Goggles. Get me? Come on. Yeah, strap chain, you guys ain't ready.
I'll chill.
I'm sure. You know what I mean? These guys are freeloader.
What? Say what you said, say what you said. Fucking hell, you've turned up one tab. What? You haven't dished them out.
Hey, well, fucking hell. I saw it well. Hey, that would be a chance, wouldn't it? Hey, KEIRON. Hey, that would be a chance.
It's 3 AM. It's cold. And I'm going to sleep in a minute. This man's got his runner's gear.
We good,
Living his best life.
we good.
Fucking get it out.
Good.
Oh yes, there we go.
Doing the clean out, doing the clean out.
It's just the legs. Just
Yeah, I
the
know, it's my leg. Oh man.